As COVID-19 cases go up, some doctors are highlighting FDA-approved treatments for those who catch the virus. News on 6's Jonathan Cooper joining us now live downtown Tulsa with what doctors are saying. Coop.
Brian, more and more drugs are coming onto the market to treat COVID-19. Doctors say we're in a much better place now than we were a year ago.
As we wrap up 2021 and COVID cases are surging once again, doctors say they have a lot more ways to fight the virus.
We have new tools that we can use potentially to treat an outpatient.
OU's Chief COVID Officer Dr. Dale Bratzler says vaccines are still doing a good job of keeping people out of the hospital and dying from the virus, with the state's latest epidemiology report finding that more than 90% of people hospitalized for COVID-19 being unvaccinated. But other new drugs are being used to help as well.
There are 4 different monoclonal antibodies or combination antibodies that are on the market now.
Bratzler says monoclonal antibodies are typically reserved for people not fully vaccinated and at high risk of complications from the disease. They also must be given as soon as possible within 10 days of symptom onset. A couple of them are also used in people who are unable to get a vaccine because they are severely immunocompromised.
I personally know solid organ transplant patients who have had 4 doses of the vaccine and still don't have any antibodies that can be detected.
Studies have shown, though, that some of the antibody treatments are not effective against the Omicron variant, which Bratzler says makes it hard since they can't always tell which variant people have. Other drugs doctors may soon start using for outpatients are convalescent plasma and remdesivir. And Bratzler says there's also 2 new oral antiviral medications just approved, like Paxlovid.
You take it with another HIV drug called ritonavir, 3 tablets twice a day, 5 days. Needs to be started within 5 days of the onset of symptoms, 89% effective.
Now, Paxlovid is the drug that is developed by Pfizer that is not yet in the state of Oklahoma. Bratzler hopes it is soon. Reporting live in Tulsa, Jonathan Cooper, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.